G'day, Andrew from Miss Me 3D. Welcome back for another video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Please let me know in the comments below if you like this content going forward. Let's get into the video. The intention with this video is to give you a bit of an insight into our small 3D print shop. In this first clip, we're simply just removing the build plate now that the printer has completed its print job. In this clip, we're changing the printer nozzle to a larger size, getting ready to print a prototype product. After changing the nozzle, we reinstall the print plate and run a calibration. In this clip, we remove the completed 3D printed items from the build plate that we removed from the printer earlier. In this clip, now that we've removed those items from the build plate, we need to remove the glue from the bottom of the print that was used on the build plate using some rubbing alcohol. In this clip, we load our prototype product into Bambu Studio and send it to the printer to see what it'll look like after it's printed. Our prototype print has finished. Now let's go and check it out. Now that we are happy with our prototype print and confirmed it looks right, we're back to Tinkercad to design the final product. Hopefully by the time you watch this video, this product will now be listed on our Etsy store ready to purchase. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.